Hey guys, it's Mike here, K9KMV. So I just arrived at a new park for me to activate today. It's new for me anyway. It's the Rock Cut State Park in Illinois, which is close to Rockford. It's Kilo 1019. Hopefully we'll get things set up quickly, get some contacts, activate this park, and we'll be all done. All right, so I've got my stuff in the backpack here. Just going to go and see if I can find a good spot that's going to give me some space to put the antenna up. Something in the shade would be good as well. I've seen that there's a picnic table over in the distance that's in the shade right now, and it looks like it's in a fairly open spot as well. So let's see how that looks, and we'll get things set up. It's just such a beautiful day this morning. Yeah, I think this is going to be pretty good. Let me flip the camera around so you can see. Okay, so this is where I'm going to try and set up. I should be able to get the antenna over where those smaller trees are, and then I can set myself up on this picnic table. Okay, so I just got the end-fed antenna set up. It's not as high as I wanted it to be, but if you can see here, I've got my SotaBeams pole. It's the Carbon6. It's got quite a bend to it, and I could have probably found a better location actually, but we'll see how this works out. So this is where I've got the end of the antenna hooked up. I really need something to bring that a little bit higher, but that'll do for now. And then the orange wire goes up. I hope you can see that all the way up there. So that's the top of the V, and then there's a black wire that you will probably not be able to see now, but that slopes down all the way down to here, and this is the feed point here for the Packtenna. And then the feed line, the coax runs, I've got it kind of hooked over this little grill here. I checked first to make sure it wasn't hot still from yesterday. It wasn't, so that was good. Otherwise I did not have any coax left. And then it comes back down through here, just wrapping it round a little bit through the picnic table for some more strain relief. And then I'm going to hook it into the radio, which will be the IC-705. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, 59 Jefferson.
Roger, thanks. You're 59 into Illinois. I'm operating a parts on the air if you were interested in the number, over.
No, that's okay. I don't chase parts on the air, but I appreciate it. So 73, and thanks for stopping by.
Roger, thanks, and good luck there. 7-3.
7-3, Kilo 0 Victor, Kansas QSO party. At Kilo 9424.
Roger, that was 9424, is that correct?
That is correct, yeah.
Roger, thanks. So I didn't realise this was a park to park. I'm in Kilo 1019. You're 59 here, over.
Okay, got the 59, Kilo 1019, and thank you for the park to park, 73.
Yeah, 7-3, good luck with the activation there. It was a nice surprise. Good luck, catch you later.
You too, be safe out there. Here's KD8MQ,
I made a couple of contacts on 40 meters already. Now I've just switched to 20 meters. It's really nice not having to switch the antenna. Having the multi-band antenna it really helped to be able to move from band to band like this. I just spotted myself on the Parts on the Air website as well, so we'll see if that helps things. Is this frequency in use? Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling CQ Parks on the air. QRZ.
November Kilo 5 Juliet.
November Kilo 5 Juliet. Thanks for coming back to the call. I'm in Park Kilo 1019. I'll let you know your signal report on the next over. Go ahead.
You're about a 5-5 into northern Michigan, like India or somewhere CTH.
Roger, roger. Okay, well, you're 5-5 here as well into Illinois. I'm in a park just outside of Rockford, Illinois, and you're coming through nice. Good for a local contact. Over.
Thank you, sir. Have a good activation. Okay.
Roger, thanks, and have a great afternoon. QRZ, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor for Parks on the Air.
Kilo India 0 Echo Bravo.
Kilo India 0 Echo Bravo. Thanks for coming back. You're 5-9 into Kilo 1019. Over.
Roger, 5757 Kentucky. Thank you so much, sir.
So I've got 4 contacts now. Running 10 watts here with the IC-705 and the Packtenna end-fed half wave, currently on 40 meters. I'm going to keep calling on here for a little bit longer, and then maybe switch to 20 and see how that band's running. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor calling CQ Parks on the air. QRZ.
Kilo 0 Papa.
Okay, the park to park. Kilo 0 Papa India Golf. Thanks. You're about a 5-5 here into Kilo 1019. Over.
Copy the 5-5 in the Kilo 1019, Illinois. You're about a 5-5 as well into Kilo 7145.
Okay, roger, roger. Got the 7145. What state are you in? Over.
This is Minnesota.
Okay, roger. Thanks for Minnesota. I think the antenna I've got set up here is pretty good for local stuff. I think I've got it set up for NVIS right now. I'm getting lots of local stuff. But anyway, thanks for the park to park, and good luck with your activation there. K9 KMB. I'm halfway there for the activation. I've got 5 already, all on 40 meters. See if I can get this park to park. That would be nice.
Okay, I got Kilo Echo 8 Delta Germany Foxtrot. Is that a QSL?
I love this antenna.
5-5 as well with the static crack.
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. Park to park. Park to park.
Okay, everybody hold on. It's a park to park out there. Park to park.
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. Park to park.
Park to park only. Park to park only, please.
This is Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. Park to park.
Kilo 1 Kilo Mike Victor. QSL?
Kilo 9 Kilo 9er 9er 9er. Kilo 9er. Over.
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. QSL?
Roger, roger, roger. You're 5-9 into Kilo 1019. 1019. Over.
Okay, I got static crash. It's taking you out. Static crash. So it's a 5-9, but you hear the park number.
Part number is 1019. 1019. Over.
I heard Kilo 1019.
Roger, roger. QSL 1019. You got it. Thanks for the contact.
Okay, is that please? State, please.
The state is Illinois. Italy, Lima. Italy, Lima. Illinois. Over.
Roger, roger. I got you 5555 into Ohio, park number Kilo 2000.
Roger, roger. Thanks for the park. Kilo 2000. All copied, and have a good activation. 7-3.
Kilo 2000, state of Ohio, QSL.
QSL. I got it. Thank you.
Thanks for that time, my friend. Stay safe. Alpha Bravo 1 Alpha, QRZ.
I got 3 park to parks already. All right, I'm going to move over to 20 meters now. And just like that, I'm on 20 meters, fully resonant. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. QRZ.
Whiskey 2, Mike Sierra Alpha.
Whiskey 2 Mike Sierra Alpha. Haha, at last I got somebody. Thanks for coming back. 5-9 into Kilo 1019. Over.
Roger, roger. I copy the 5-9 into 1019. I copy you a little on the low side about a 3333 into kilo 1623. So congratulations on the park to park, and thank you for your QRP activation. Over.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Thanks for the kilo 1623. What state are you in? Over.
I'm in New Jersey, in Liberty State Park, New Jersey. Over.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Thanks. I'm in Illinois. You are my contact number 7, so I've got 3 more left, and then I'll be able to activate this park. Thanks for coming back. Appreciate it.
So I have a second operator. Here that would like to work you, so stand by for 1 second.
Roger, Roger. Stand by.
Roger, this is Kilo Charlie 2, Bravo Papa Papa, Kilo Charlie 2, Bravo Papa Papa. I got you like 3 until 1623 New Jersey. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, Kilo Charlie 2, Bravo Papa Papa. I got you there as well. Many thanks for the contact. You're 5-5 here into Kilo 1019.
7-3, and good luck on your activation. Thank you, sir.
Roger, Roger. Thanks and good luck to you. QRZ, this is Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, parks on the air. CQ, parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air. QRZ.
Kilo 4, Foxtrot, Mike India.
Kilo 4, Fox Mike India. Thanks, you're 5-9 into Kilo 1019, over.
Here you're about 5-2 in North Carolina. Thanks for the contact.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for the contact into North Carolina, and have a good afternoon. QRZ, parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor. CQ, parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air. QRZ.
November 1, India, Bravo, Quebec.
November 1, India, Bravo, Quebec. Thanks for coming back to the call. You're 5-9 into park number Kilo 1019, and you are my 10th contact, so this is now an activation. Thanks for coming back.
QSL. Well, congratulations. Call sign November 1, India, Bravo, Quebec, and I have you 5-5 into Connecticut, Charlie Tango, QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Got the 5-5 into Connecticut. N1 IBQ. Thanks for coming back. I wasn't sure I was going to make it to 10, but I have now, so pretty happy about that. The band 20 meters especially seems to be going up and down really quickly. It's very strange. Back to you, and thanks again.
Yeah, QSL, yeah, you just faded on me. Anyhow, good luck. Thanks for the activation. And 7-3.
Roger, Roger. Thanks, and appreciate the contact. Alright, so I made the 10 contacts. I did a mix this time between 40 meters and 20 meters. So I'm going to keep going a little bit longer, but the clouds are definitely forming, and there is a thread of some storms coming through later on, so I don't want to be caught out here in any rain showers or anything, so I'm going to try a little bit longer, but then I'm going to pack up and head home. But I'm really happy running the IC-705, running the Packtenna end-fed half wave set up effectively to be a multi-band antenna for 40 meters and then down through to 20. So yep, really pleased that I got it working, and I got this new park for me activated up here at Rock Cut State Park near Rockford in Illinois, K1019. Yeah, I'm really happy that I got this one activated. First time up here. Alright guys, so I just had to make a pretty mad rush for packing things down. I did manage to get the 10 contacts, but shortly after that I started to hear the thunder of a storm in the background, which is coming through a little bit earlier than I thought was forecast. So the good thing about my setup is it's very easy and quick to set down and pack it all up. So everything's in the car now, and I'm going to jump in the car and head home. So yeah, I don't know if you'll see the difference in the sky now as to how it was when I first got here, but it's really clouded over and grey, and I'm actually starting to feel a few drops of rain as well now, so I think the storm is getting ready to hit. So I set up, I packed down just about in time. So there we go. All right, again, thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody that subscribed, and anybody new to the channel that would like to subscribe, please do so. There'll be more videos like this already out there, and some more to come. So it would be really good if you could subscribe. So I'm just going to leave you with a closing shot of where I was set up, and I'll be on the road home. 7-3 everybody, K9 KMV portable clear.